Today I'm going to fly around in cloudy weather. The conditions are not very good, it's windy, but we'll see how it goes. I'll use some high-speed mode. We'll see how it works now.
During this test, a few lessons were learned. During the wind, the drone is trying to stabilize itself using GPS, and it kind of looked like while you try to control it, it was interfering with its intents to stabilize itself, so the drone wasn't very responsive. When I switched the drone to its highest speed mode, the drone would have to incline to fly faster, but this way it would also make its top surface vulnerable to the wind forces. When the strong wind would hit the top surface of the drone, it would lose altitude. In some videos you'll see how it goes down to the ground. When the drone stabilizes itself against the wind, it inclines forward so much that it affects the angle of the video you're shooting. So you don't get the results you want. And the pro versions of these drones come to my mind in this case because they have servo motors that control the angle of the camera, and you can actually change the angle of the camera while it's flying. Also, I discovered something new about the auto return function of the drone. The manual says that when the battery goes low, the drone will return on its own, but it doesn't say that you cannot even control it when it starts coming back. So when the battery went low in my drone, it started to come back. I couldn't control the drone until it approached to me to a distance of a few meters, and then yes, I could take the control of the drone. So that's something to keep in mind. It could hit into an obstacle while it's coming back. But this happens only when the battery goes low.